Okay, hello everybody. Let's make this paperclip. We're told in the assignment that we should make this circle, center point circle of radius 0.05 inches on the top plane. That's going to be the thing we're going to sweep. And then the path of the sweep is shown here. It looks like a paperclip. We're going to make that on the front plane. And we're going to trace or sweep this circle over this path right here. And that's how we're going to make the paperclip shown right here. So let's start that. I've already made one, so I'm going to make a new Part Studio. And I'm going to call it paperclip. And I'm going to make a sketch on the top plane, a really small circle, and this is 0.015, and it kind of disappears in there, so I'm going to turn off the top, front, right, and the origin. So there's my circle, way down there. Okay, and well, let me turn the planes back on. So I do a Shift 7, you can see it's way down there somewhere. At any rate, I'm going to make a sketch on the front plane now, and I'm going to start at the origin, and I'm going to start drawing out that path we have right here. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to go up a distance of 1.3 inches with the line tool. 1.3 inches, and there I am. So I'll hit escape, and now I need to put a semicircle of radius 0.25 on the end there. So we're going to come up here to 3-point arc, click there, come over here, and what you want to do is, see that yellow line there? You want to click when you see that. That'll make those have a horizontal constraint, the left and right points of the arc. Pull out here, and then I think this is 0.25. And I think that's not 0.25, that's right. So what did I do wrong there? 0.25. That doesn't look right. Let's do that again. Let's go get a 3-point arc here. We'll go here. We'll go over here. We'll pull up. And 0.25. There we go. I don't know what happened there. Okay, one thing we want to do as well is we want this intersection between the semicircle here and the line to be smooth. So we're going to use a tangent constraint, right? All of our geometric constraints are here. We're going to choose tangent, and I'm going to click here, and that's going to fully constrain the sketch. So everything's black, so I'm in good shape, and I can pull out the dimension here, and I can continue with sketching this path. So the next step is a straight line of radius 2, and then I have a semicircle of radius 0.2. So 2 and 0.2. So I'll come along here. This is a distance. I want to make sure it's got a vertical constraint. You can see the little indicator there. So this is 2. And I'll hit escape, go to the arc tool, zoom in, come over here, pull out in this direction, and that is 0.2 of a radius. And again, I want to make the tangent geometric constraint, so I have it right like that. Now the next straight line goes from here to here, and it is 1.7, and then I'll have a semicircle of radius 0.15. So 1.7 up, that is there, and 0.15. Yep. So let's do that. Here's the line, click, vertical constraint, 1.7. And let's see, what was it? 0.15 for the semicircle. I'm going to zoom up. Come here, here, pull up, and 0.15. And again, tangent constraint, like so. And finally, I just come down 1 inch here until I have a horizontal constraint with the initial point A, the origin. And so let me do that. Go down to, let's see, maybe that's not so obvious, so I'm going to just put 1 there, and that's the length. So escape. So this is my sketch of the path, and it's kind of messy, so we can start to move some of the dimensions around here until we can kind of see what's going on. And now it looks in pretty good shape. It's black, it's fully constrained, so I'm going to accept that. And now I think I will turn off everything, all the planes and also the origin. And if I zoom up, way up, you can see that I've got this circle here, and I can now sweep across that path. So let's go up here to the sweep tool, click there, click on the sketch I want to sweep, click on sweep path, and then hit these, and it turns out we have to hit each one of them when they're separated like that. So I clicked on each one, and it swept that circle throughout that path, and you can see we've made a paper clip. So I'm going to come over here and call this paper clip, and let's see how what its volume is. It's a little smaller, 0.001. So why is this This always happens. Let me go back to the sketch. It looks a little 0.015. Yeah, so this is an error. I have to go, it's 0.05. That's right, 0.05. I'm going to accept it there and Shift 7. Now it looks a little better. Let me check the volume. Yeah, 0.15. So I had an error there. So that's how you make a paperclip and using the sweep command. Thanks for